I knew that my teeth were destroying my body to some degree, but it wasn't like you get hit in the head with a baseball bat and then you feel it. It's very subtle, it's very insidious. You suffer health problems or conditions that can't really be diagnosed by traditional medical practitioners or even alternate practitioners. They just don't get that your teeth affect everything. I had a condition while I was in the midst of being in incredible shape where I started getting sick. Like every couple months I'd get sick. I have a cold, and then it started getting more frequent. I started getting sick every month, and then every 3 weeks, and then every 2 weeks. Now, talk about like intuition or divine intervention, whatever you want to call it. I was like, one day the thought occurred to me, what if it's my teeth? What if it's like my teeth that are causing all this? Because I knew a lot about nutrition. Nobody had asked me that question. None of these nutritionists I went to, none of the books, nobody said check your teeth. So I went to Dr. Behm. I said, Dr. Behm, I'm not doing good. Can you please look at my mouth and tell me if there's anything going on in there? And he opened me up, did my x-rays, and said, you have an old root canal that is actually has like a low-grade infection of some sort. And there was actually X-ray showed like almost in my jaw there was a kind of a black splotch that was like the infection. So I did the process and I did the treatment of getting the root canal totally like undone, retreated, cleaned out, then ozonated several times, then filled again. And what's funny is that when it was done, I felt something lift off of me, like some kind of mass that was there. It just lifted off of me. I'm not getting sick. And really the only thing I changed was this root canal. My diet is still good, I still exercise, but getting this thing out of my mouth and getting this like poison out of my body that was affecting me handled the situation that doctors had told me could be cancer, could be leukemia, could be a whole bunch of other things. They wanted me to go in through a whole bunch of tests. And the thing that worked was going to Dr. Behm and getting this out of my mouth. And that has handled me. And it's not just like, oh, let me test you. Oh, you're stronger now. That may be true. I have like paper that shows me my white blood cell count went down. I mean, went up, it went down, and then it went up again. So, you know, I got it all backed up by science in addition to how I feel, in addition to the fact that I'm not sick anymore, in addition to the fact that I just know it's the right thing. So that's my story, and it really, to me, I feel like it saved my life. I mean, I really believe it saved my life.